Your favorite body lotion might be slowly damaging your skin, your hormones, and even your health, and you have no idea. I'm Joseph, and after digging through FDA reports, EWG data, and real lawsuits, I found 7 lotions you must throw out today, plus 3 safe ones. Hit subscribe now. Body lotions to avoid. Number 7, Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. Jergens Ultra Healing has been sold for over 100 years and is loved for its cheap price. But reading the back label tells a very different story for your skin. According to the EWG Skin Deep database, older versions of this lotion list methylparaben, ethylparaben, DMDM hydantoin, and fragrance. And DMDM hydantoin is a preservative that slowly leaks out formaldehyde, which the World Health Organization's IARC has called a Group 1 human cancer, causing chemical since 2006. The word fragrance on the label sounds harmless, but under the US fragrance loophole, this one word can legally hide more than 3,500 secret chemicals, including phthalates that the CDC links to hormone problems and reproductive issues. Because petrolatum sits in the top 5 ingredients, the lotion mostly traps water on top of your skin instead of feeding it real nutrients, and dermatologists warn this can make skin more dry and dependent over time. Even the brand itself now admits some customers want to avoid parabens and says it is in the process of removing them, which tells you everything you need to know. Cons. Contains parabens-linked hormone problems. Uses formaldehyde, releasing DMDM, hydantoin, preservative. Hidden fragrance chemicals trigger allergies. Petrolatum clogs pores over time. Brand is slowly removing parabens. Price, around $6 per bottle. Number 6, Vaseline. Intensive Care Advanced Repair Lotion. Vaseline. Intensive Care Advanced Repair is one of the top-selling lotions in America, but most buyers do not know that the main moisturizing power comes from petrolatum and mineral oil, both of which are byproducts of the same crude oil used to make gasoline. The US FDA only allows highly refined petrolatum, but the European Union has already restricted it because some lower-grade versions can be contaminated with PAHs, a group of chemicals tied to cancer in over 60 studies. The lotion also lists synthetic fragrance, glycerin, and stearic acid first, but it gives almost no real nutrients like vitamins, ceramides, or fatty acids that your skin needs to repair itself. Because petrolatum forms a plastic-like film on top of your skin, it can block pores, trap bacteria, and even reduce how well your skin breathes, which is the opposite of what deep repair should mean. The American Academy of Dermatology says fragrance is one of the top 5 causes of contact dermatitis, and Vaseline lotions almost always contain it. Cons. Petrolatum is petroleum oil byproduct. Banned at higher grades, EU, adds fragrance, linked skin rashes, forms plastic film blocking pores, lacks real vitamins or ceramides. Price, around $7 per bottle. Have you been using Vaseline Intensive Care for years without knowing this? Tell me in the comments, I want to see how many of us got fooled. Number 5, Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotion. Nivea Essentially Enriched is sold in over 170 countries and is famous for its blue tin and sweet smell, but that smell is exactly the problem most buyers never notice. The ingredient list shows mineral oil, paraffin, and microcrystalline wax in the top half. These are all petroleum-based oils. The same family of products used in candles and engine grease, just refined to a higher level. Many older Nivea formulas have also contained methylparaben, propylparaben, and BHT, and a 2021 study published in the journal Environmental Research found parabens in 99% of urine samples from American women, showing how easily they enter the body through daily lotion use. The fragrance in this lotion contains common allergens like linalool and limonene, which the EU now requires to be labeled separately because they cause skin reactions in roughly 1 to 3% of people. Even worse, Nivea adds dyes and very little real plant oil, so for the price, you are mostly paying for water, wax, and perfume, not actual deep moisture. Cons. Heavy mineral oil and paraffin. Older versions contain multiple parabens, fragrance allergens limonene and linalool, add synthetic dyes for color, very little real plant oil. Price around $8 per bottle. Number 4, Bath & Body Works Body Lotion. Bath & Body Works is the king of scented lotions in America, with thousands of stores and over 100 different fragrances. But according to The Filtery and EWG, every single Bath & Body Works product contains fragrance. And under the fragrance loophole, this can hide phthalates, styrene, formaldehyde, toluene, and allergens like limonene and linalool, which can cause skin issues, asthma flare-ups, and hormone disruption. The CDC has measured phthalate levels in over 90% of Americans tested, and lotions are one of the biggest daily sources of skin contact. Many Bath & Body Works lotions also list propylene glycol, ethyl hexyl glycerin, and sometimes parabens. And the brand has been called out for poor ingredient transparency because the full ingredient list is not even shown on most product pages of their official website. Independent skin experts say a lotion with 30+ ingredients, where the first active benefit is just shea butter near the bottom of the list, is more of a perfume than a real skincare product. If you have eczema, asthma, or sensitive skin, dermatologists strongly recommend avoiding heavily scented lotions like this one. Cons: every product contains synthetic fragrance. Hides phthalates under fragrance loophole. Poor ingredient transparency on website. Common cause of contact dermatitis. More perfume than real skincare. Price around $16 per bottle. Number 3, St. Ives Softening Body Lotion. St. Ives is marketed as a natural brand thanks to its big oatmeal and shea butter labels, but the truth on the back of the bottle is far from natural. The ingredient list shows mineral oil, dimethicone, fragrance, and methylparaben in many formulations. And a class action lawsuit was even filed against Unilever, the parent company, over claims that some St. Ives products were too harsh on skin. According to research published by the American Academy of Dermatology, scrubs and lotions with strong fragrance and rough particles can damage the skin barrier in only 2 weeks of daily use, leading to redness, micro-tears, and faster aging. The natural front label hides the fact that the actual oatmeal and shea butter sit near the bottom of the ingredient list, meaning their concentration is usually less than 1%, while petroleum-based oils make up the bulk of the product. Reports also show that synthetic fragrance is the #1 cause of cosmetic allergic reactions in the US, affecting roughly 1 in 4 people with sensitive skin. Cons: natural label hides synthetic ingredients. Contains mineral oil and parabens. Real shea butter under 1%. Past lawsuit over harsh formula. Fragrance damages skin barrier fast. Price around $5 per bottle. Did you also believe St. Ives was a natural brand? Comment, fooled. If this just opened your eyes, let's see how many of us were lied to. Number 2, Suave Advanced Therapy Lotion. Suave is found in 1 out of every 2 American homes, but the brand has a heavy history with one of the most controversial preservatives in the beauty world, DMDM hydantoin. In 2021, a major class action lawsuit was filed against Unilever, the parent company of Suave, claiming that DMDM hydantoin, a formaldehyde donor that releases small amounts of formaldehyde when it touches water, was linked to scalp irritation, hair loss, and allergic reactions, and that the FDA itself listed it among allergens that cause most allergic reactions from the use of cosmetic products. Suave then publicly promised that by the end of 2021, all Suave products would be DMDM hydantoin free, but many older bottles are still sitting on shelves and in homes today. On top of this, Suave Advanced Therapy Lotion uses heavy mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, and dyes, giving very little actual skin nutrition for the very low price. Cheap is not always safe, and a lawsuit-heavy history is a serious red flag. Beyond the formaldehyde concern, the lotion also relies on cheap thickeners, synthetic dyes that the EWG flags as moderate hazard, and color additives that bring zero skin benefit but can still trigger redness and rashes in people with sensitive skin. The American Contact Dermatitis Society has repeatedly named fragrance and preservatives as the top causes of skin reactions in the US, and skin doctors confirm that switching to a cleaner, dermatologist-tested lotion often clears up itchiness, dryness, and breakouts in just 30 days. Cons: history of formaldehyde releasing DMDM hydantoin. 2021 class action lawsuit filed. FDA listed ingredient as allergen, heavy mineral oil, and dyes. Old stock still on shelves. Price around $4 per bottle. Number 1, Equate Beauty Daily Moisture Lotion. Equate Beauty Daily Moisture is Walmart's in-house lotion and is one of the cheapest body lotions in America, but cheap often means dangerous corner cutting in the formula. The ingredient list typically starts with water, mineral oil, petrolatum, and stearic acid, followed by methylparaben, propylparaben fragrance, and DMDM hydantoin in many older versions, meaning a single pump can contain up to 3 to 4 different ingredients flagged by the EWG as moderate to high concern. A 2020 study in the journal Reproductive Toxicology found that women with higher paraben levels in their urine had measurable changes in hormone activity, and daily lotion use is one of the top sources. Equate is sold as a copycat of bigger brands, so the formula often skips the more expensive plant oils, peptides, and ceramides that real skin repair needs. With 0% real botanical ingredients in many versions, you are basically rubbing water, petroleum, and preservatives on the largest organ of your body. For a few dollars more, you can find lotions that actually feed your skin instead of just coating it. Walmart sells over 100 million units of Equate branded personal care products every year, meaning millions of families are unknowingly applying these chemicals to their skin daily. And dermatology research confirms that skin can absorb a measurable percentage of whatever is applied to it within minutes. Over the course of just 1 year, daily use of a cheap lotion like this adds up to nearly 4 to 6 liters of petroleum, preservatives, and synthetic fragrance being layered onto the body's largest organ, and that is a chemical load no skin doctor recommends. Cons: combines parabens, fragrance mineral oil, DMDM hydantoin in older versions. Mostly water and petroleum-based oils. No real botanicals or ceramides. Linked to hormone activity changes. Price around $3 per bottle. Safe lotions. Number 3, CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion was first created in 2005 by a team of board-certified dermatologists. And today, it is one of the most trusted drugstore lotions in the United States, with over 70,000 5-star reviews on Amazon alone. The most powerful part of this lotion is that it contains 3 essential ceramides 1, 3, and 6-2, along with hyaluronic acid, and is developed with dermatologists, fragrance-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, and accepted by the National Eczema Association, and ceramides naturally make up around 50% of the fats in your skin's protective barrier. The hyaluronic acid inside can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water, which keeps your skin plump and soft for up to 24 hours through a patented MVE slow-release technology. The National Eczema Association only gives its seal of acceptance to products that pass strict safety tests for sensitive and eczema-prone skin, meaning this is one of the very few drugstore lotions safe enough for babies, kids, and people with skin conditions. For around $13 to $18 a bottle, you are not just buying scented water, you are buying a real science-based formula that helps repair the skin barrier from day one. Pros: contains 3 essential skin ceramides. Added hyaluronic acid for hydration. 24-hour MVE slow release moisture. Eczema Association approved formula. Fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Price around $13 per bottle. Number 2, Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. Eucerin has been a dermatologist's favorite brand for over 100 years, and the Advanced Repair Lotion is one of their best-selling formulas because it targets very dry, rough, and cracked skin at the deepest level. This lotion is enriched with ceramide 3 and 5 natural moisturizing factors, provides 48-hour hydration, is fragrance-free, dye-free, and paraben-free, and is dermatologist recommended with extra ingredients like urea, sodium lactate, shea butter, and amino acids that act as the building blocks of healthy skin. According to skincare research and Eucerin's own data, urea is the gold standard for treating dry skin because it both binds water into the upper skin layer and gently smooths away dead, flaky cells. Eucerin clinical studies also confirm that the formula is suitable for mature skin, psoriasis, keratosis pilaris, and diabetic dry skin, which means it is safe for almost every adult. With around 48 hours of proven moisture, you only need to apply it once a day, saving you both time and money compared to cheap lotions. For about $10 to $13 a bottle, you are getting a 100-year-old dermatologist trusted formula that actually feeds your skin instead of just coating it. Pros: enriched with ceramide 3 lipid, 5 natural moisturizing factors inside, paraben, fragrance, and dye-free, 48-hour clinical hydration proven, trusted brand for 100 years. Price: around $11 per bottle. Is Eucerin your skin's holy grail or totally unknown to you? Tell me below. Number 1. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion is one of the most dermatologist-recommended body lotions in America, with the brand itself being trusted by skin doctors for more than 70 years. The biggest secret behind Aveeno is colloidal oatmeal, finely ground oat powder that the US FDA has officially listed as a recognized skin protectant, meaning oatmeal is legally approved to relieve itching, dryness, and minor skin irritations, including eczema. A 2024 clinical study by Kenvue confirms that this Aveeno lotion provides 48 hours of moisturization, and the formula is allergy-tested, paraben-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, non-greasy, and non-comedogenic, making it one of the safest options for babies, kids, sensitive skin, and people with eczema. The newer formula also uses prebiotic oat technology, which feeds the good bacteria on your skin and helps repair the skin barrier the natural way instead of suffocating it with petrolatum and synthetic chemicals. With more than 50,000 positive reviews across Amazon and Walmart and a price of just around $9 to $12 a bottle, this is the smartest, safest, and most affordable body lotion you can grab from any drugstore today. Pros: FDA recognized colloidal oatmeal skin protectant, 48-hour clinical hydration proven, paraben, fragrance, and dye-free, top dermatologist recommended brand 70+ years, safe for sensitive and eczema skin. Price: around $9 per bottle. So now you know the 7 lotions to throw out and the 3 safe ones to trust. Your skin, your hormones, and your family will thank you. If this video opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss the next exposed truth.